Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can convert BONK coin to USDT on Binance application. It's quick and simple tutorial. Make sure to subscribe to this channel before we do that. And if you haven't signed up to Binance yet, you can get a $100 bonus by signing up through my link in the description. So definitely check that out. And now to convert the BONK, all you have to do is open up your Binance application. You can go to your wallet and find here your BONK coin. So for example, here in search, I'm just gonna go ahead and write down BONK. Here it is. We want to choose it. And from here, you will see there is a balance and trading. So the trading would be BONK USDT. If you click on the first one here, you can go ahead and click on sell option, write down the amount of BONK you want to go ahead and sell, and then click on sell BONK, and then you will have your USDT. Another way would be to click at the top left corner convert option, and this will open up. So now you want to switch to USDT and you want to search for BONK here. Choose it just like so. Now you enter the amount which you want to go ahead and convert. As you can see, there's some minimum amount. And for example, I want to convert 600, and then you will see your USDT, how much you will get, and just preview the conversion and basically sell it for USDT. So if this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.